Hello everyone, it's Andre from Survival Zone Africa. Thanks for joining us again. Today I'm going to show you one of my bigger blades that I've got, that I actually bought a couple of months ago. I think I've got this about 5-6 months maybe. It is my biggest knife to date, and this is called the Becker BK7 by K-Bar. Now this knife is designed by a guy by the name of Ethan Becker, and it's actually manufactured by K-Bar. Survival type stuff, processing wood if you're in the bush, this in my opinion is a very good all-round knife. This knife is going to do a lot for you. It's definitely not going to do everything for you, but I think as an all-round knife this is really a good one. Let's quickly start with a couple of small specs quickly. Now the blade length on this is 7 inches. That's actually where the name comes from, BK7. That's a 7-inch blade. You get a BK9, which is the bigger brother, that's got a 9-inch blade. So yeah, 7-inch blade. Total length on this knife is basically 12.75 inches. Alright, the blade thickness on this is 3/16 of an inch. Now that is a pretty decent thickness for a knife. It is full tang, however, so again the metal runs from the tip all the way down to the pommel. The handle scales on this it's synthetic, and this is the part that I actually don't like. It's very smooth. It can be fixed. You can actually just wrap it with Wilson wrap or just some hockey tape, problem solved. It's got a nice hole there for a lanyard. At the moment I've just got some paracord on it. Shot cord actually works better in my opinion, because it's actually elastic and it really locks into your hand pretty decent. But I just want to quickly show you the sharpness of this blade. Now I did reprofile it. When I got this knife it actually had a 25-degree angle. I did reprofile it to a 20-degree angle. I don't have fancy sharpening stones. I've got a normal Lansky, the one with a couple of different stones. But I just want to quickly show you how sharp this is. You can actually shave with this. This is really sharp, so very effective as well. Now the new ones, I don't know if you can actually see that, it's got laser edging on the blade there. It says the BK7. I'm not sure if you can actually see that in the camera. On that side it says Becker Knife and Tool by K-Bar, and then it says USA, Orleans, New York. Alright, now again the blade did not come like this. When I got this out of the box it actually comes with a very thick black epoxy coating on it. Now it is to protect the blade. The material of this is actually 1095 Crowvan steel, so the way this is now, it will rust. You will pick up rust, but again I just spray it with some light oil, and like I said, I've had this knife now for about 6 months and no rust issues to date. So yeah, awesome blade. I just want to also show you the sheath that I got with this. Now again, this is called Cordura. It's a nylon sheath, made in China, unfortunately. However, it's not bad, but not to my liking, and I'll show you why. Just on the top here, it's got a little pouch. The top part you can actually put a fire steel or some tinder for starting a fire. It's got another little pouch right on the end. I don't know if you can see that. Now that is for I think it was for a smaller Becker blade. I'm not sure what they called it, but I think it was designed for that particular knife. A good thing about it was the belt loop. It works with Velcro, so you actually didn't have to take off your belt. But let me show you why I didn't like it. Just quickly see if I can strap this in here. A lot of rattles. I'm not a big fan of rattles, so yeah, the sheath just didn't do it for me. So what I've done is I went to my friend Mike Taggart, and Mike did a very nice Kydex sheath for me. It's got a lot of eyelet holes over here. I've just got a piece of paracord wrapped around it, just maybe for extra cordage, but this really slams in solid. Again, no rattling, nothing, really secure. Great idea. Now the belt loop, you can actually just wear it on your belt the normal way, or you can actually loosen these two screws and you can actually turn it around for the other side of your body. So all in all, this is a real great knife, and I would really recommend you going out if you want something that is lightweight, that can yet do most of the tasks in the bush that you wanted to do. This is really something to go for. Now they are a little bit pricey in my opinion. I paid 1,700 Rand for this at Stan in Sandton, but again, for the price, you're not going to get a better knife, in my opinion. There are a lot of knives in the same category as this, but you're going to pay probably double the price. So, and this is not going to break on you. Again, like I said, 1095 Grovan steel. Because it's a carbon steel, you can actually use a ferrocerium rod that you can actually start a fire with. You will get some very nice spark off this blade as well. So, very nice. Very nice one, and I really would recommend anyone that if you want a good blade, this is what you need to go for. So yeah, thank you very much, BK7, and yeah, go and join us on Facebook, leave a comment. Thank you, till next time.